In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit sent messages on Telegram quickly and easily. This is a super useful feature if you spotted a typo, want to fix a link, or just need to update a message after sending it. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your device and go to the chat where the message you want to edit was sent. You can do this in any private chat, group chat, or channel conversation, as long as editing is still available for that message. Once you've found the message, right-click on it if you're using Telegram on desktop. A menu will appear, and from there, click Edit. If you're on mobile, you may need to press and hold the message to bring up the options, then select Edit from the menu. After that, the original message text will open in an editing box. Now simply type in your updated message. You can correct spelling, change the wording, or add anything you forgot to include the first time. Take a moment to make sure everything looks right before you send it. When you're ready, click the tick icon, or just press Enter to save the edited message. Telegram will update the message in the chat, and anyone viewing it will see the revised version instead of the original text. If you edited it successfully, you're all set. But here's something important to know. If you right-click a message and the edit option is not showing up, that usually means the editing window has already passed. In that case, Telegram no longer allows changes to that message, so you'll need to send a new corrected message instead. That's the main thing to remember, because editing is only available for a limited time on certain messages. And that's how you edit sent messages on Telegram in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Telegram tips and tricks in the next video.